أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما هلك. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Hausa Kooko. Hausa Kooko is a millet porridge that is very healthy and it's very delicious as well. It's normally paired with kose and pinkaso. To start, I soaked my millet in water for 24 hours. This millet is from Ghana, so it has a lot of chaff in it. So in order to ensure you clean your millet very well, you have to soak it for 24 hours. Then we will go ahead to wash until the water runs clear. After washing it, I went ahead to pick up the stones and other bits that couldn't got cleaned. These are the ingredients I use in this recipe. I use some ginger, some clove, some salem or grain of salem, which is kimba, some chili pepper, and some peppercorn. This type of peppercorn is called jenyaji in Hausa. With the ingredients, you can omit or you can adjust based on your preference. If you want more ginger, you can add more. If you want more pepper, if you want it to be more spicy, you will add some pepper. And with the chili pepper I use here, you can use any other chili pepper that is available for you. As I always say, you do what is available for you. You add and omit anything that you want. After adding everything into my blender, you add enough water to blend it. Then we will sieve it. Ramadan Kareem to each and everyone that is fasting during this holy month. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant what is best for us and may He accept from us. Ameen. I will be using another step to ensure that this is very well saved to prevent any of the chaff being into our cocoa. Yeah. When sieving it too, you have to continue adding water until the chaff water runs clear. That's when you know you've gotten all the nutrients from it. Millet is very nutritious. It has a lot of health benefits to it. It is high in fiber and it helps to regulate blood pressure, and it has low glycemic index, which means it is very good for gut health. And yeah, to ensure I'm able to get all the chaffs out, I use an extra cheesecloth to ensure that I got everything out. And that was a lot from using just the strainer. So yeah, you have to bear that in mind when you are sieving your Hausa Kooko. After sieving everything, you're gonna get something like this. Then you go ahead to cover it and put it aside to set down. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you get notified. After setting it down, you're gonna get a pasty at the bottom and the top of it will be some water, and that is the water that you use to cook the cocoa with. I pour the water into my pan into a rolling boil. Then I'll go ahead to scoop some of the paste and mix it to be very thick. Then I'll use it to make the cocoa. So you will basically pour this thick mixture to the rolling boiled water. Then you mix it vigorously. Yeah, you have to continuous stirring it, that way you won't get any lumps in it. Yeah. Another tip I'll give is after boiling your water, you can set some and put it aside if you are not sure of the quantity you'll be putting in the hot water. That way, if you put your thick paste into the water and it's very thick, you will just use that to adjust the thickness, if that makes sense. For me, I already know the amount I'll be using, so I went ahead to do that. And normally, back in Ghana, when they do this, they'll just let it sit and it will kind of ferment a little bit. But with this one, it didn't ferment and it's even perfect. In case you didn't finish everything, you just put it in your fridge and or you can freeze it. And so you get some for as and when you need Hausa Kooko. Yeah. Over here, after adding the first one, I wanted some more thickness, so I continue by adding some of the thick mixture to it, and I continue to stir as I mentioned earlier. It's important to keep stirring it, if not, it's gonna give you lumpy cocoa, which we do not want. And yeah, this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and share it to any person that video will be helpful for. If you are watching this video now, I already have a recipe of how I made my pinkaso, which I'm gonna leave it up here, and some sobolo recipe as well. After this video, stay tuned. I'll be uploading some cozy recipe as well. And yeah, the cocoa was ready, and of course we have to serve ourselves, and you can never go wrong with some evaporated milk. Yeah, we got a little accident, which is okay. And look at that, this Hausa Kooko smells so good. It was so delicious, and that was everything I wanted for my iftar. Of course, I paired mine with some kose, which I have a video coming up very soon, so stay tuned. Bye.